Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a thin border collection, very beautiful combo, alluring vibrant combination here, dark blue color pallu, something between royal blue and navy blue color, very elegant gold jari work, a beautiful one, and we have a plain blouse piece in same pallu color. The jari border comes all over the saree, 1 inch gold jari border, which is rich and beautiful. And here we have a beautiful turmeric yellow color, a bright shade saree with gold and silver jari buttas. Buttas are very different new design. Excellent work. Combination is beautiful with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a thin border collection. Very beautiful and alluring combos. Elegant combination saree here. The pista green with mild half white mix, a very different color. Green shade, light green shade color pallu with very pretty work in the pallu. Fully gold jari work, very grand pallu. Same color blouse piece. The blouse piece also have the thin border, that is the gold jari border, the whole saree has it, with a very elegant green body, light green mixed with mild yellow shade. It's a very different, very beautiful green color, gold shade on it. You can see dual tone with 3D type triangle design buttas done using gold and copper jari, original copper used for the weaving copper jari work. An excellent one with jari border, and the saree comes with authentic silk mark certificate. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a thin border collection, beautiful color combination sarees, light green color pallu, pista green and mild olive green mixed color with gold jari work, a very beautiful design. And we have plain blouse piece in same pallu color, contrast one for the body, dual tone pallu as well as the body is a dual tone here. Orange and pink mixed color. Orange is prominent, very beautiful one. You can see the pink glow in the leftmost corner. And here we have the silver and gold jari work, very beautifully done buttas. Glowy, beautiful color with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, thin border, beautiful collection, alluring combination colors. Here we have a light green color pallu, pista green and with mild olive green mixed color pallu. And we have same color blouse piece. The complete saree and the blouse piece also have a thin border, 1 inch gold jari border in both sides. And here we have navy blue color saree body color, little lighter shade navy blue with silver and gold jari work buttas, weaved very beautifully with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a thin border collection, a very beautiful color combination, different combo here, a pista green and light olive green mixed color with beautiful gold jari work. And we have the same color pallu, mild yellow tinge, which is very beautiful, a pastel color. And here we have the body in a very different color again, green and brown mixed color, green in a different shade. And you can see the buttas. Buttas are done using gold and silver jari alternatively. The gold jari border in both sides, 1 inch, which is making the saree really beautiful with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, thin border, beautiful collection, dark and light combo. The pallu is in beautiful pista green and olive mixed color with gold jari work, and same color blouse piece. The complete saree have a thin border, 1 inch border, gold jari work border. And here we have a beautiful navy blue color saree with mild violet tinge. The copper jari and gold jari are used here for butta weaving. Very beautifully it's been done with a 1 inch jari border in both sides of the saree. Excellent combination with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a thin border collection, very elegant color combinations. Here we have a beautiful green, light pista green and mild olive green mixed color with gold jari work. And we have same color blouse piece. The complete saree have a 1 inch jari border. And here we have light lavender, beautiful pastel shade color saree with very elegant buttas. Buttas are done using gold and silver jari alternatively. Simple and beautiful design with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a thin border collection, beautiful color combos. Here we have a beautiful pallu, a deep blue color pallu with gold jari work, very elegant, simple work. with same color blouse piece. The complete saree have a 1-inch jari border done using gold jari. And here we have a beautiful creamy tussar color, tussar half white with beautiful silver and gold jari worked buttas. Buttas are very beautiful. Excellent weaving. The color combo is very pretty with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree. A thin border collection with very beautiful classy combination here. Pista green, light green color. Pallu with very elegant pallu design. Completely gold jari used for the pallu design weaving. And we have same color blouse piece. A pastel shade. Complete saree have a small 1-inch jari border, that is gold jari border all over. And here we have a very beautiful half white mixed with mild gold color to get a goldish half white body color, pastel shade, the white lovers. And you can see the gold jari and copper jari buttas, alternatively gold and copper used for butta weaving. Buttas are in 3D type, triangle shape work. Very pretty saree and a beautiful goldish venpattu with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a thin border collection. Very beautiful nulluring combination colors. Here we have an excellent green pallu here. Pista green and olive mixed color with a very elegant jari design, gold jari used. Same color blouse piece. The complete saree have an 1-inch border including the blouse piece. And here we have the navy blue and violet mixed color. Beautiful dark shade color saree. Gold and silver jari used here. Very elegant buttas. And the jari border as we in the saree. Elegant dark shade color with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, thin border collection with alluring combination colors. Here we have a beautiful dark color combination saree, deep blue color pallu, very excellent gold jari work. Same blue blouse piece. The complete saree, the blouse piece also have a 1-inch gold jari border. Rich collection. The saree is in beautiful maroonish brown, beautiful brown color, dark shade. You can see the gold and silver jari work buttas. Buttas are very beautiful and looking dazzling on this flower piece. Excellent combination with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree. A thin border collection. Very beautiful combination colors. Here we have a pista green color pallu. Very elegant pallu with gold jari work. And same pallu color blouse piece. Pista green with mild green yellow mix color. And the saree is a dark blue, almost navy blue tinge with copper and gold as well as alternatively it is being done copper and gold. You can see the butta designing. The whole saree have a 1/2-inch jari border also, and that is also done in gold jari. A very elegant combination with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, thin border collection with very beautiful combination colors. Here we have a light pista green color pallu. Very elegant design in the pallu, closely weaved gold jari work, and we have same color blouse piece. The whole saree and the pallu have a 1/2-inch zari border that is done using gold jari again. And here we have a very different green saree with silver and gold jari work buttas. Beautifully done. 2 different shades of green in the saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a thin border collection with alluring combination colors. Here we have a beautiful navy blue color pallu with gold jari work, closely weaved grand pallu. Same color blouse piece with thin border, a 1/2-inch zari border all over the saree in gold jari. And we have a beautiful half white color, almost a tussar color, mild gold tinge half white color. And you can see the buttas. Buttas are in silver and gold alternatively. Very beautifully it's being done with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree. A thin border collection with beautiful vibrant pastel color combination. A pista green color saree pallu with a very elegant gold jari work, mild and very beautiful work with same color blouse piece. We have a 1-inch border in the whole saree as well as the blouse piece. We have copper and gold jari work in this saree. A peach color base color, very pastel, beautiful peach with 1-inch border in both sides. Elegant work, excellently done, and the saree comes with authentic silk mark certificate. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a very beautiful 1-inch border sarees in a pastel color combination. An excellent color. Light green, a very different pista green color pallu here with completely gold jari work, a very grand one. Same color blouse piece, pista green color. The complete saree as well as the blouse piece has a small jari border, gold jari border it is. It's an elegant one. The saree is in a goldish beige color, half white with mild sandal mix also we call. A pastel shade, excellent one. Copper jari and gold jari used here, and a very different triangle shape buttas in a 3D pattern. Beautifully weaved one, and the saree comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree. Border and butta collection, a small border, elegant 1-inch border sarees in a vibrant combination colors. A pista green color pallu with elegant work, completely gold jari used here with a plain blouse piece, 1-inch border again. The saree is a pastel shade, almost a beige color. Excellent mild brown mix, half white also we can call, pastel shade. Buttas are in gold and silver jari alternatively. The gold and copper jari, original copper jari used here. Excellent one. 3D type triangle design, very beautifully done with a 1-inch border in both sides. That is a gold jari border. An excellent pastel saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a thin border collection with very beautiful 3D type buttas. Elegant combination colors. Here we have a very beautiful pallu with gold jari work. Very elegant, beautiful pallu here on dark navy blue color. The same navy blue color blouse piece with a 1-inch border on both sides. A jari border which is there in almost whole saree. Gold jari used for the jari borders, and we have a beautiful green and yellow mixed color. Green is mild, so it gives a mustard yellow color shade with copper and gold jari buttas alternatively. Original copper is trending and it is used here. 3D type triangle design, elegantly made one, completely handcrafted with authentic silk work. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, thin border collection, very beautiful color combos. Here we have a beautiful deep blue color pallu with gold jari work, an elegant pallu with same color blouse piece. The complete saree have a thin border, 1-inch gold jari border, which is very rich and adds beauty to the saree. And here we have a turquoise green and blue mixed color saree. Elegant pastel shade with beautiful triangle design, 3D type buttas, silver and gold jari used here. Beautiful design, excellent combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a thin border collection and beautiful and alluring combination colors. A vibrant combo here, deep blue color, something between the royal blue and navy blue color, and we have a very beautiful gold jari work in the pallu. The complete saree have a thin border, 1-inch jari border, and that is there in the blouse piece as well. Blouse is in pallu color, and we have a light radiant green color, almost neon green color saree, very different color with copper and gold jari finish buttas. Buttas are very different. The jari border adds beauty to the saree. Elegant combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, thin border collection, very alluring combination colors. A vibrant combo here, dark blue color, something between navy blue and royal blue with a very beautiful gold jari work, and we have the same color blouse piece. The complete saree have a thin border, 1-inch jari border in gold jari, and here we have a beautiful yellow color, a bright turmeric yellow color saree with silver and gold jari work, triangle design, 3D type triangle, very elegantly done, trendy design with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a thin border collection, very beautiful color combos. Here we have an excellent combination here, a dark shade combo, dark blue color pallu with gold jari work, and we have same pallu color blouse piece, plain one with jari border. It's a thin jari border, gold jari used for the border, it is 1-inch jari border. Here we have a very beautiful color, brown and maroon mixed color, black is the bar, red is mixed to get a beautiful color here, and we have silver and gold jari, new design buttas. Elegantly weaved work, completely pure work. You can see the finish, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, thin border collection, an alluring combination, excellent color sarees. Here we have a beautiful dark blue color, something between navy blue one, royal blue color with a gold zari design. Elegant one with same color blouse piece. In the whole saree, blouse piece also have a thin 1-inch zari border, gold zari border. And here we have a beautiful dark red, almost a maroonish red color body with silver and gold zari buttas. Beautiful design, 3D type triangle design. Excellently weaved sarees with authentic silk.